Okay, I just wanted to show you real quick how I fold the aluminum foil to create those 4 sections like it says in the first step. It's not that critical, but it does help keep our substances separate if we have a little bit of a wall between them. And it doesn't have to be very big, but what I tell the students to do is take their piece of aluminum foil and fold it in half and crease that middle fold there. Then you kind of hold that fold with your 2 fingers, one on either side of the aluminum foil, and then we're kind of folding that side up to where our fingers are at on both edges, and that creates this little wall in between our sections. And that'll help keep our substances from melting together, because sometimes if the first thing melts really quickly, like the wax will, and it kind of swirls around with some of the other substances, it might look like the other substances are melting too, when really they're just kind of dissolving or mixing with that wax. So we currently have 2 sections, and as you saw, I kind of had to fold this down flat again. It's still kind of a little flippy flap, but we need to rotate this 90 degrees and do it again in order to create our 4 sections. So I'm going to do that again here, creasing that top edge. Hold it with my fingers as I fold either side up, and put it down on the table. Kind of helps keep that base flat. Doesn't have to be perfect, but as long as we got some general walls in between. And then we have these little flaps at either side that we can kind of just bend up to create those walls again. And now we have our 4 section disposable aluminum tray here. So I generally demo this for students right before they go and do it, as I'm kind of recapping the lab, going over the general instructions for them so they can see it happen, and then one group can have mine to use because I don't need to keep it, and then I'll walk around, and this is generally what people are asking for help in those first few minutes as they're getting started. So I hope this helps clarify those instructions. Please let me know if you have any other questions.